Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and I'm going to touch on today a little bit about our 3D printed guard options and what records are needed. Now, we do have three options of guards: clear guard hard, clear guard semi-soft, and clear guard hard with memory liner, which is our premium guard. But as far as the records, it's all the same for all three options. We just need an upper, lower, and bite. And so that can be traditional records, PBS, Porpa model. Send that to us, or it can be a digital record. And again, with any digital scanner out there, just give us an upper, lower, bite, and we will fabricate that guard for you. On the digital side now, we do have options for model free, which that means we can fabricate it faster and we can get it out to you faster, and you save a little bit of money. So there is some cost and time savings with the model free option on the digital side. But any other questions on our ClearGuard products or any products, check us out at our website listed below. Or if you have any specific questions regarding our guards, you can leave it in the comments below and we'll get those answered. And also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.